Plato said a good decision is based on knowledge and not on numbers. When it comes to sales, it is not a numbers game. I commonly see many entrepreneurs miss out on the most important fact. Many of them have been taught to believe in the old school sales training maxim, it's a numbers game, that the more doors you knock on, the better your chance of making a sale. And yes, following that notion might work for some if you don't mind burning up a lot of time and energy, but it rarely works if you are more interested in solving problems and building long-term dedicated customers. Qualifying your prospects begins the process of knowing how to make the most of your efforts. Now ask yourself these three questions. Who will benefit the most from your products or service? Where can you find that market? And how can you get information to them? What is crucial for your business, though, is to realize that successfully determining the who, then the how has at least give you some chance of success.